The Land Rover Defender key fob has maintained a consistent design since 2020, featuring a durable plastic casing that houses a CR2032 battery. The fob's design includes buttons for lock, unlock, and other functions, with the CR2032 coin cell battery providing power. To open the key fob, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damaging the casing. Insert the tool into the keyring slot or along the seam of the fob. Gently twist the tool to pry apart the two plastic halves of the fob. Be cautious with models from 2022 to 2025, as they may have hidden clips. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. After opening, if the battery was fully depleted in newer models, you may need to reprogram the fob using the Add Key function in the vehicle's infotainment system. With the key fob open, we can now replace the battery and reassemble it. Remove the old CR2032 battery from the fob, noting that the positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the PCB contacts, ensuring it fits snugly. Snap the two halves of the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm the LED lights up and the vehicle locks or unlocks. If the test fails, check for corrosion on the contacts and clean them with isopropyl alcohol. Remember to properly dispose of the old battery as it contains lithium and is hazardous waste.